Look at this channel. It has built an audience of 4.9 million subscribers simply by posting slapstick cartoon animation videos, and their top videos have already reached millions of views. Now take a look at what I created in just 5 minutes.
A tiny turtle steals the biggest watermelon ever and instantly loses control. Now the watermelon becomes the fastest ride in the entire desert. One tiny bump sends everyone flying into unbelievable...
Here's exactly how you can create these videos completely free. First, head to the description below and grab the master prompt I have already prepared for you. Copy the entire prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste it in and hit enter. Within a second, ChatGPT will generate 10 funny and highly engaging slapstick animation ideas. Go through the list and choose the one you like the most. ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 complete scenes for your video, including detailed image prompts and video prompts and a matching voiceover for every scene. Everything is fully structured and ready to use. Now, copy the image prompt for the scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and choose your preferred image settings. Paste the prompt and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first scene image will be ready. Choose the version that looks the most expressive and visually engaging. Click on it, open the 3-dot menu and select Add to Prompt. This helps maintain character and environment consistency throughout the entire animation. Now copy the image prompt for the scene 2, paste it into the flow and generate again. Repeat this same process until all of your scene images are complete. Now it's time to animate them. Open your first image, click the 3 dots and select Animate. Choose your preferred video model and set your desired duration. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for the scene 1, paste it into Flow and click Generate. Within a few moments, your first animated scene will be ready. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene until all of your scenes have been turned into animated video clips. Once everything is finished, download all of your clips. Now open any video editor you are comfortable using and arrange the clips in the correct order from the beginning to end. Once everything flows smoothly, export the video. And that's it, your slapstick cartoon animation is ready to upload. If you want more viral AI niches before everyone else finds them, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.